The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, northern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:07 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Centerville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Columbia, Dixon, Centerville, Brentwood, La Vernie, Spring Hill, Nolansville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Belle Meade, Thompson Station, Fairview, Antioch, Bellevue, Bon Aqua, Cummins, Prim Springs, Natchez Trace at Highway 96 and Troon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.